So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like she has some grown out color here. Stylist mixes in some color. Oh, wow. Beautiful, bright blonde hair color with this stunning bob haircuts. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Next up we have a color change. So we already saw the after for this. I am loving this bold bright color combination that the stylist ended up doing. Wow, such a fun vibe. I also really love the shape of her pixie style as well. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up we have a bob haircut change. Love the fullness of her bob, so bouncy, so much body and movement, and the color looks amazing as well. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length chocolate colored hair. Oh, and she goes much shorter with this voluminous pixie bob. Very nice. Beautifully done. So then we move on to the next one. She starts off with mid-back length hair. And she ends up getting a very nice shoulder length bob style. And then we see someone with some really pretty ginger colored hair. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Stylist cuts the hair into more of like a traditional pixie shape. Touches up the color. Oh, he put some highlights in here. Wow, very nice. So next up we have someone with mid-back length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Wow. Breathtaking angled bob style. This is absolutely stunning. So pretty. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.